saffron, chorizo, and clams. This dish has it all. Let's create a fairly masterpiece in just a minute. Ready? This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and let's cook. Fish stock, chili in, mix, mussel. Now Fregola time. Fish stock, saffron Fregola in. Mix. Now we'll put first the Fregola in, saffron Fregola with habanero chili. Then clams on top. Chorizo in. And a bit chili here. Then the finish will be the green oil. So now we explain the dish is we have the saffron Fregola with habanero, and then we have clam sauteed with confit garlic and habanero, and then we have the beef chorizo, and the finish will be with the green oil. That's it, saffron Fregola with habanero chili and clams. Try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comment below or tag the Culinary Museum.